This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Lift the badge on the radiator grille, insert the key and rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet. Lift the bonnet slightly and then rotate the key clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and remove the key. With the engine cold, place a thick rag over the coolant expansion tank cap, then rotate it anti-clockwise to the first stop, allowing any pressure to escape. Then fully unscrew the cap. Don't attempt to remove the cap if the engine is warm. Raise the front of the vehicle and support it with axle stands. Undo the fasteners each side and remove the radiator undershield. Place a large drain tray under the radiator drain plug. On models without a drain plug, place the tray under the rigid coolant pipe beneath the engine. This pipe connects directly to the lower outlet of the radiator. Unscrew the radiator drain plug where fitted, or release the spring-type clamp and disconnect the hose from the rigid coolant pipe at the rear of the engine oil sump. Be prepared for coolant spillage. Allow the coolant to drain, then remove the drain tray. Clean around the lower hose and pipe, reconnect the hose, and refit the clamp to its original position. Position the radiator undershield and secure it with the fasteners each side. Remove the axle stands and lower the vehicle to the ground. Unscrew the expansion tank filler cap. Slowly fill the expansion tank with coolant until the level reaches the max mark on the side. Refit the filler cap. Lower the bonnet firmly to engage the lock. Fold over the badge.